Hey, good morning. We have this 91 NSX that's ending up here in just a little bit. I just want to do a quick little walk around and talk about it. This car just got a major service done at Acura Scottsdale. They did the timing belts on it and all the big services on the car. This car does not fall in the snap-on ring range as a failure point on it. This car has the good transmission and the good snap ring. We have photos posted of the transmission number and all the information is in the auction. But come around the car, you can see the car is a very, very nice example. It's got brand new tires on it. Again, all the services were just done. It's a beautiful black car. This car has been in the local area for quite some time. The current owners owned it since 2014, and it's always just been in his storage collection of cars. But runnability on the car is great. There's not any issues that we know of. Does have a few little rock chips and stuff in the front. Come around and see on it. It has clear bra on the front nose bumper and on the mirror caps. The glass is good. The paint's really good. The wheels, tires, everything. So this is a really good example. Very low miles. Car that's never been wrecked. Should be all good to go. Good luck, and hopefully you'll win at the end. Thanks.